Suppose you have a door of 3 feet and 7 feet. Now you need to change its size or its width or length for your specific place. Now suppose you need a door of 3 feet 6 inch and height of 7 feet 6 feet 5 inch, or 7 feet or 7 feet 5 inch. So how, or 6 inch, how will change that? We can use stretch command to change it. So let's go for that. I'll click here stretch for stretch command, or we can press S then enter. Now it's telling us select object. Now this is the most important thing, that how we'll select and how you will utilize that command. So suppose you need to increase this windows in top in top direction, okay, and here in that portion you want to increase, otherwise you want to increase the bottom portion, otherwise you want to increase the left or right. Suppose if you select in this way, and must remember your color should be that green color, okay, that green color, not blue. Selecting tools, I mean you can't use that tools, that color, you have to use that color. So when I'll go again back and skip S enter, and then click, sorry, not with that color, again I'll press then S enter here, and if I select here, and when I'll start stretching, our stretch will start from that point and that point. That means our cutting plane will stretch. So if I enter, and from here if we go in that side, just see where it's stretching, where it's going for the stretch with respect to our just see here, if I go in that direction, where it's stretching from where we have cut. Now again I'll go for a stretch S, then I'll select here. Now I have cut here and here, and if I go for enter, and if I click here, and if I press ortho, just see, if I now press in y direction or move our mouse in y direction, and now suppose I need a door of 7 feet 6 inch. So previously we have 7 feet, now also I want to stretch for 6 inch. Just see, now our door is 7 feet and 6 inch. So this is a very good way to create our door or resize our door. Now suppose I need to increase that size in 3 feet 6 inch, okay, I'll go back here 7 feet, but in that side I need 3 feet 5 inch, a door of 3 feet 5 inch. Now how I'll do that? Again I'll go for S enter, then from here I'll select like that, because I need to move whole left part. Then I'll go enter, and here anywhere I'll click, and if I just move here and I'll provide 6 inch, so total 3 feet 6 inch and 7 feet door are available here. So in this way you are able to create, or you are able to use your stretch option. Now I'll copy that on, see you, and then here by taking the center of that, or with respect to that center, and with respect to that center I'll place it here. So this is the way to resize or optimize our stretch command.